Good afternoon and welcome back to Prime of Midlife. It is Tuesday afternoon, so due to the fact that we are due a ridiculous weather front coming in tomorrow, and it is utterly glorious here just now, I thought I would just come out and let you see that the island of Arran has returned, which is rather nice to see. We now have the other half of the holiday here. Patrick's brother, John, with his wife Anne, is here. So we are now going to go and rest and relax for the evening. But I thought it would be nice to show you this just before I shut down for the day, because this is utterly glorious. This is what it's all about. Rest, relax, refresh. So I hope you are having a good week. I, as you can see, most certainly am. This is just glorious. So I will leave you with it for a couple of seconds.